Assalamu alaikum everybody. We've recently launched Kids Wear by Zara Ahmed, and we have a good variety of semi-formals, formals and party wear for kids. ये सब website पे भी available हैं, and I thought I'd show you guys in detail. It's a very pretty top with this sling type of elastic on the waist. Textured flowers on the neckline. बहुत ही मज़े का flowery सा print है for the top, and the skirt is this stretch material. इसके साथ ये belt है, so you can like sling it, tighten it on the waist. Comes with this holographic dupatta. And the same holographic frill around the skirt. Super cute for young girls. This is the full view. There's this other white one, perfect for Eid and weddings. They're mostly available till 10 years old, I think. Our website pe check karo, there's a size chart given. ये वाला भी it will also look very pretty for nikah events and the wedding season coming up. इसके साथ भी there's a similar holographic dupatta, cute for kids, और इसके साथ ये printed गरारा है with the white shirt. हमने website का link दे दिया in description. You can check it on the website or inbox us on Facebook. This is also 3-piece. और ये वाला भी 3-piece है. Then there's this one, very yellow, summery. Kids especially really like yellow, so there's this one. इसके साथ भी there's bottoms and there's dupatta as well. Net का dupatta है with finishing in blue color. और जो shirt है वो panels में बनी हुई है in printed lawn and net. So the fourth one here is this one. It's a very cute peplum top in lawn. गले पे patch work हुआ हुआ है in different textured laces. Embroidery है. There's gold lace texture. Then there's again embroidery, print, crochet edging on the sides. Here's the full length view of this one. I really like the print itself. उसके बाद ये green वाला है, more on the fancier range to wear on mehendi, dholki type of events. Really cute cut line though. It's like a step-by-step cut. हिफ्सा फ़िलहाल तो मैं सिर्फ kids wear दिखा रही थी, but if it is available in this store तो मैं केसरी भी दिखा देती हूँ. No problem. उसके बाद there's this one. It is neon colored and center में ये jacquard लगी हुई है with रेशम threads over it. ये भी बहुत cute है. I really like neon on kids especially. Chicken में है इसका material, and there's this घुंघरू lace on the daman flare. और इसके साथ भी I think it comes with bottoms. Yes, it comes with a shalwar. More like harem pants. इनमें sizes available हैं जी बिल्कुल. आप website पे देख सकते हो या आप हमें Facebook पे या Instagram पे direct message कर लो. It'd be easier to guide about the sizes. There's this one. I like the contrast with green, forest green and neckline पे, and side पे this neon coral color. इसके बाद there's this one. Also really cute, और अच्छी बात ये है कि these are a little fuss free yet formal. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा काम शान नहीं हुआ हुआ, so kids can easily wear them. This comes with a printed गरारा. ये इसका गरारा है. Light fabric and easy to wear. There's lining attached to the गरारा. ये इसकी शर्ट है ऑरेंज में, और जो गरारे का मटेरियल है वही एप्लिक हुआ हुआ है on the daman. Very very pretty. और for general events you can also मतलब white shirts के साथ या white t-shirt के साथ ये गरारा पेयर किया हुआ है, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा for kids. You can also pair it with जो भी बच्चों के पास ऑलरेडी वाइट शर्ट्स होती हैं, वाइट कुर्ता हो गया या वाइट टी शर्ट हो गई, आई थिंक इट लुक प्रिटी। इसके बाद दिस वन, इसके साथ ये बोलेरो है इन पिंक, येलो स्क्रीन प्रिंटेड शर्ट है इन दिस क्यूट एलिफेंट पैटर्न। मोहम्मद अहमद, यही जो डिज़ाइंस हैं यही बड़े साइजेस में भी हैं, मतलब 2 to 10 ईयर ओल्ड है मोस्टली, तो आप वेबसाइट पे ऑर्डर कर सकते हो। एंड इसके साथ भी शरारा है, 2 टांगों वाला जो शरारा होता है इन नेट। देन देयर इज दिस beige one in contrast with red. इसके साथ there's a printed शलवार and net का दुपट्टा। This is one of my favorite ones इस कलेक्शन में से। इसके साथ जो ये नेकलेस दिया गया, इट्स मोर लाइक जो दुल्हनों की ज्वेलरी होती है माइयों वगैरह पे, लुक्स सो क्यूट अटैच्ड टू दिस ड्रेस। There's this rainbow colored bodice, sea green shirt है print में, and this layered sharara. This one I really like. इसके बाद orange में ये है, it comes with the Doria shalwar. Like the shalwar will show underneath the net thing, तो वो भी काफ़ी मज़े का स्टाइल लगेगा। This one in simpler shalwar kameez sort of range. It comes with a shalwar and dupatta. Gale pe there's traditional phulkari embroidery. Tarkashi. Thank you. I do get a lot of comments for my voice every time. Iska pink net ka dupatta and then there's a blue shalwar. For girls who like simpler fast free clothes for events, ये बहुत अच्छी option है, and it's a bright color so it look nice in young girls. This I've already shown. Comes with puff sleeves, embellished bodice, and I think flared bottoms in print. जो bottoms है, they show underneath the net. जब आप पहनोगे तो, जब बच्चे पहनेंगे I mean, तो it'll show up better. और Rabia, please check the website for prices or inbox us. That'd be easier. I'm done with the kids collection. There's couple of other outfits here in store जो कि सिर्फ इसी ब्रांच पे अवेलेबल हैं और ऑनलाइन। There's this one in 3-piece really pretty white outfit. इसके साथ रॉ सिल्क का लहंगा है with tissue border. The tissue border perfectly goes with the embroidery on the dupatta. Chiffon में दुपट्टा है इसका embroidered. It's a peplum top with an asymmetrical cut. This is a 3-piece outfit. There's a similar one available in peach as well. ये भी embroidered है. Comes with the lehenga. इसके लहंगे में जो ये bronzy sheen है, it looks very pretty. Comes with peach lehenga, peach shirt, and embroidered peach dupatta. If you'd like to take a screenshot to inquire prices and stuff, तो वो आप कर लें. You can take a screenshot now. Here's a clear picture for white as well if you'd like to take a screenshot. This comes with an embroidered chiffon dupatta. The shirt is also embroidered. ये इसकी back है. That is also embroidered. It's a high-waisted lehenga, so you tie the lehenga over here. 15 inches की तकरीबन bodice है, so it's fully covered. Then there's this peach one. There's this third color in this also, mauve color है. Someone requested to show केसरी, लेकिन वो यहाँ available है नहीं. There's this new outfit in store, Abru. बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है एंड इट्स पेयर्ड विद अ बिट ऑफ मस्टर्ड एंड रेड, जिससे पूरे ड्रेस की लुक उठ रही है. द स्लीव्स आर एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड विद मिरर वर्क. इट्स अ बोलेरो स्टाइल बॉडिस और नीचे भी चरमा डोरी हुई है. इसके साथ दुपट्टा भी है एंड देयर बॉटम्स एज वेल. ये इसकी बैक है, बैक पे भी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. इट्स अ प्रिटी पिस्ताशियो कलर. मिरर टसल्स ऑन द नेक लाइन. सिंस इसका दुपट्टा ऑरेंज है तो ये ढोलक या माइयों वगैरह के लिए भी इट्स अ वेरी नाइस ऑप्शन फॉर ब्राइड्स. We're back on the usual timings, 12 to 10 mostly. Some branches are open till 11. So there were a few exclusives. I went over the Mushk collection quickly. Or I hope you like something from the kids collection. If you'd like to order, you can send us a Facebook message or order on the website. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.